Moana set out on a journey across the ocean with Maui and a chicken named Heihei to explore new islands and bring prosperity to their people. But one evening, their boat was surrounded by pirates demanding treasure believed to be hidden in the islands. Moana knew she had to act quickly to fend off the threats. Just as she was deliberating her next move, the Ocean Federation, led by Captain Hoku, intervened. Hoku, a friend of Moana's family, offered help but was torn between friendship and duty. Captain Hoku engaged in a diplomatic confrontation with the pirates, urging them to leave Moana and her crew untouched. The pirates, however, were relentless and laughed off the captain's terms, vowing to forge ahead. Maui, the shape-shifting demigod, concocted a plan and transformed into a mighty sea creature to scare the pirates away. Amid the commotion, the pirates fired back, causing panic in the Federation ranks. With Maui handling the pirates, Moana called upon the ocean spirits, her lifelong allies. Waves rose higher and fiercer, threatening to engulf the pirate ships. Heihei, the chicken, bravely distracted the pirates. A tempest loomed on the horizon, stirred by the battle, threatening all parties involved. Moana faced the ultimate test. She needed to protect her friends, the Ocean Federation, and even the pirates from the fury of the sea. In a dramatic twist, Captain Hoku decided to defy regulations, prioritizing human lives above all else. He ordered his crew to guide all vessels to safety, pirates included. Moana assisted Hoku, calming the waters with her connection to the ocean. The storm passed, leaving behind a newfound peace among former foes. Moana resolved the conflict without bloodshed, proving her bravery and compassion. As they sailed back home, conversations about collaboration and unity swirled around them.